Hello guys, this is Ravi back with another video of Lenovo Tab 4 8 inches model. I bought this from Amazon for 13,000. The price quoted on the box was 16,000. I heard that it can go up to 11,000 on sales. I have used this tablet for a day, and in this video I will give you my initial impressions. Surely it is not a review. Let's see what we get in the box. These are a bunch of manuals, power adapter. It is a Lenovo branded, and a charging cable. I'll get to the power adapter later. It comes with 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of internal storage, powered by a Snapdragon 425 processor. With tablets getting minimum to no attention recent years, this is a decent offering from Lenovo. Let me give you a physical overview. To the top, you have got a headphone jack and a USB slot for charging. To the right, you have got volume buttons and power button. To the bottom, you have got nothing, and to the left, you have the hybrid SIM slot branded as Lenovo. To the back, it has just got a camera, and the back was not that slippery. Under the hood, it is powered by a Snapdragon 425 processor, and it comes with 7.1.1 out of the box. That's very good for a tablet. We already have a system update available, but I will update it later. If we look at the storage, out of 16 GB, 8 GB is already used, and I have installed some applications, so 10 GB is used. Regarding battery, I will have some screenshots. When I opened this tablet, it was around 72%. Now it is showing a screen on time of 6 hours. Regarding the charging time, I cannot comment about it because the charger provided in the box was 5 volts and 1 amp. I charged the tablet with 2 amp charger. It took way much time, so I reverted back to the charger which was in the box. It charged quickly rather than with the 2 amp charger. So use the charger which was supplied in the box. So I cannot comment correctly on the charging time, but I assume it between 3 to 4 hours. Coming to the camera, it's just a tablet camera, so you cannot expect more from it, but it's decent for video calling. The tablet is dual 4G enabled, but Jio VoLTE is not working. You have to download the Jio VoLTE app. Web browsing is also decent. By pressing home button, by default it goes to the Lenovo home page. Now getting into the quick buzz, and so web browsing is not a big issue on this tablet. It has got 2 speakers, one to the top and one to the bottom. It is Dolby enabled, so the sound output via this tablet is excellent. You can block the speakers by holding like this, so be aware of that. One good thing about the camera interface is the capture button is very nearer to the right thumb. You have got HDR panorama support. Going to the settings, it can record video up to 1080p. But you cannot expect way too much from this, as it is a tablet camera. There's not a lot of bloatware. There is an Alexa app and Lenovo Alexa and Lenovo Tab demo. Apart from that, Microsoft apps are pre-installed. For the Alexa to work, you have to have an Amazon account. So we have come to the end of the video. That's it for this video, guys. Hope to see you in my next one.